This business plan outlines the launch and management of automated YouTube channels, targeting high CPM niches to generate passive income. By outsourcing content creation to a skilled team of scriptwriters, voiceover artists, editors, and designers, the business focuses on strategic oversight, niche selection, and diversified monetization. The primary goals are to launch 3 YouTube channels within the first year, achieve YouTube Partner Program monetization, which means 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for each channel within 6 months. Generate $15,000 in total monthly revenue. That's $5,000 per channel. By year-end through YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. The value proposition lies in leveraging YouTube's vast audience and advertising ecosystem without requiring personal on-camera presence, offering scalability and flexibility. YouTube, the world's second largest search engine, boasts over 2 billion logged-in monthly users and generated $29.2 billion in ad revenue in 2021. This growth underscores a lucrative opportunity for content creators, particularly through automation, a model where channel owners manage operations while outsourcing content production. Key trends include rise of faceless channels. Automated channels thrive without personal branding, appealing to entrepreneurs seeking passive income. High CPM niches. Advertisers pay premium rates for audiences in luxury, finance, and sports, driving higher revenue per 1,000 views. Competitive landscape. Success hinges on quality content, compelling thumbnails, and strategic niche selection to stand out. The market presents a scalable opportunity, though data on automation-specific revenue is limited, requiring assumptions about costs and growth rates. The business adopts 3 overarching strategies, aligned with market trends and insights. Target high CPM niches. Why it matters. Niches like luxury or finance yield higher ad rates, maximizing revenue efficiency. The research highlights their profitability due to advertiser demand. Objective. Identify and launch 3 channels and niches with stable interest and CPMs above industry averages, let's say $10 or more. Outsource for quality content. Why it matters. Engaging scripts, professional voiceovers, and polished editing drive viewer retention, a key YouTube algorithm factor. Quality ensures monetization eligibility. Objective. Assemble a reliable team to produce 8 videos per channel monthly, achieving YPP thresholds within 6 months. Diversify monetization. Why it matters. Beyond AdSense, affiliate marketing and brand deals reduce reliance on ad revenue, mitigating risks from policy shifts. Objective. Generate 30% of revenue from non-AdSense sources by year-end. These strategies capitalize on YouTube's ad ecosystem while addressing scalability and risk management. Below are detailed steps, timelines, and owners for each strategy. 1. Niche selection, month 1 to 2. Steps. Research. High CPM niches using tools like TubeBuddy or VidiQ, for example, luxury travel and personal finance. Analyze top 10 competitors per niche for content gaps and engagement trends. Owner. Business owner or strategist. Milestone. Select 3 niches with CPM potential and audience demand by the end of month 2. 2. Team assembly and workflow. Setup. Month 2 to 3. Steps. Hire freelancers via Upwork or Fiverr. 1 scriptwriter, 1 voiceover artist, 1 editor, and 1 thumbnail designer per channel. Set up Trello for task tracking, like script deadlines and editing schedules. Owner, business owner, or project manager. Milestone, fully staffed teams, and operational workflows by the end of month 3. 3. Content creation and channel launch, month 3 to 5. Steps. Develop a content calendar, 2 videos per week per channel, totaling 8 per month. Produce scripts with strong hooks and calls to action. Use stock footage from platforms like Storyblocks to avoid copyright issues. Launch channels with 5 pre-uploaded videos each. Owner. Content team, overseen by the business owner. Milestone. Channels live with initial content by the end of month 5. 4. Monetization and growth, month 5 to 12. Steps. Apply for YPP once thresholds are met. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Add affiliate links, such as Amazon, in descriptions. Pitch brands for sponsorships after 20,000 views per video. Optimize based on analytics, like click-through rates and retention. Owner business, owner, or marketing lead. Milestone. All channels monetized by month 8. $5,000 per channel revenue by month 12. Estimated costs are based on assumptions, as the report lacks specific financial data. Personnel per channel. Monthly. Scriptwriter. $50 per script times 8 equals $400. Voiceover. $30 per video times 8 equals $240. Editor. $100 per video times 8 equals $800. Thumbnail designer. $20 per thumbnail times 8 equals $160. Subtotal, $1,600. Tools and software, monthly, Trello free, basic plan. Storyblocks for stock footage, $30. TubeBuddy for analytics, $9. Subtotal, $39. Total monthly cost per channel, $1,639. Annual cost for 3 channels, $1,639 times 3 times 12 equals $59,004. Assumptions. Costs are averages from freelance platforms. Scaling may reduce per unit costs. Additional resources, such as legal consultation for copyright, may be needed. Key risks and countermeasures include risk YouTube policy changes. Impact. Altered monetization rules could reduce revenue. Mitigation. Monitor updates via YouTube. Creator Insider. Diversify income streams, aiming for 30% non-AdSense target. Risk. Content demonetization. Impact. Copyright or originality issues could halt earnings. Mitigation. Use licensed footage and human-edited scripts. Avoid overused formats. Risk. Viewer acquisition failure. Impact. Low views delay monetization. Mitigation. Invest in thumbnail optimization and A/B test titles. Leverage trending topics. Success will be tracked via subscribers, 1,000 per channel within 6 months. Watch hours, 4,000 per channel within 6 months. Revenue, $5,000 per month per channel by month 12, combining AdSense and other sources. Engagement rate 5%, including likes, comments, and shares relative to views. CTR, or click-through rate, 5% or more on thumbnails. Weekly analytics reviews will ensure alignment with goals. Month 1 to 2, niche research and selection. Month 2 to 3, team hiring and tool setup. Month 3 to 5, content production and channel launches. Month 5 to 8, achieve YPP monetization for all channels. Month 9 to 12, scale production to 10 videos per month and diversify revenue. This phased approach balances speed to market with sustainable growth. To initiate this plan, begin niche research. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to shortlist 5 to 10 high-CPM niches by next week. Set up freelancer profiles. Create accounts on Upwork or Fiverr and post job listings within 10 days. Explore additional resources. Review YouTube automation, case studies, and CPM data for refined cost and revenue projections. Recommended follow-up, gather precise freelancer quotes and YouTube niche CPM stats to refine budgeting. Consult a digital marketing expert for advanced optimization tactics.